You only need 4 AI tools to start a faceless automated channel. This TikTok account was able to grow over 500,000 followers within 3 months, and I'll show you how. First, find a cool concept, for example, mysterious stories. For this video, I'm choosing the Hinterkaifeck murders. After your script is finished, you now head over to ElevenLabs to generate the audio for your video. Next, go to Huygen. Here you'll create an avatar that fits the theme of your story. Now upload this picture and bring it to life using Huygen. For the last part, use a free editing program like CapCut. Simply start a new project and import your talking avatar. Now it all comes up to your creativity to make the video engaging with images, visuals, and sound effects. Let's see the final results.
The Hinterkaifeck murders are one of Germany's most haunting unsolved mysteries. In 1922, the 6 members of the Gruber family were brutally murdered at the Hinterkaifeck farm. Days before the cruel occurring,